Giant clam. Giant clams are the biggest clams in the world. They can grow as heavy as a bicycle. They open their colorful shells to get sunlight. Tiny plants inside them make food from the light. Sea snake eel. Sea snake eels look like snakes but are really fish. They hide in the sand with only their heads showing. At night they come out to hunt small fish. Their bodies twist and wiggle like ribbons. Belostomatid giant water bug. These insects can swim using their back legs like oars. They live in ponds and eat small fish or tadpoles. The male carries eggs on his back until they hatch. They're tiny but brave hunters. Flying gurnard. Flying gurnards have large fins that open like wings. They spread their fins to scare predators away. They walk on the seafloor with their lower fins. They're bright and beautiful underwater dancers. Pygmy seahorse. Pygmy seahorses are so small they can fit on your fingertip. They live on coral and match its color perfectly. It's hard to see them because they blend in so well. They are one of the tiniest fish in the world. Sea slug nudibranch. Sea slugs are soft, colorful swimmers that look like floating rainbows. They don't have shells like snails. Some can glow or make poison to stay safe. Each sea slug is a tiny work of art. Whale shark. Whale sharks are the biggest fish in the sea. Even though they're huge, they only eat tiny plankton. They swim slowly and peacefully with their mouths wide open. Whale sharks are gentle giants of the ocean. Cutthroat trout. Cutthroat trout live in clear, cool mountain streams. They get their name from the red line under their jaws. They are fast swimmers that leap out of the water for insects. Many people love to fish for them. Blue-ringed octopus. The blue-ringed octopus is small but very powerful. Its body shows bright blue rings when it feels threatened. It has venom strong enough to scare big predators. It's beautiful but best admired from afar. Clownfish. Clownfish are bright orange with white stripes. They live among sea anemones that protect them from danger. These fish are brave and playful. They became famous because of a little clownfish named Nemo. Blue tang. Blue tangs are shiny blue fish with yellow tails. They live in coral reefs in warm oceans. They love swimming fast in small groups. You might know one named Dory, lionfish. Lionfish have long, beautiful fins that look like feathers. They are colorful but very poisonous. They live around coral reefs and hunt small fish. Their stripes help them blend with the coral. Seahorse. Seahorses have long noses and curly tails. They swim upright and move slowly. The daddy seahorse carries the babies in his pouch. They hold onto sea plants to keep from floating away. Angelfish. Angelfish come in bright colors like yellow, blue, and orange. They have flat bodies and love coral reefs. They swim gracefully in groups. Many aquariums love showing their beauty. Butterfly fish. Butterfly fish have round, colorful bodies and tiny mouths. They live near coral reefs and eat small sea plants. Their patterns look like butterfly wings. They're one of the most beautiful fish in the sea. Pufferfish. Pufferfish can puff up into a big round ball when scared. They have tiny spikes that protect them from predators. Some are very colorful and funny looking. They always make visitors smile. Surgeonfish. Surgeonfish have sharp spines near their tails. They eat algae and help keep the ocean clean. These fish swim in large groups called schools. Their bright blue and yellow colors shine under aquarium lights. Goby fish. Gobies are tiny fish that live near the bottom of the tank. They come in many colors and love to dig in the sand. They often share burrows with shrimp. Gobies are small but very helpful friends. Mandarin fish. Mandarin fish have bright rainbow colors. They live in coral reefs in the Pacific Ocean. They are shy and like to hide among rocks. Their shiny patterns look like painted art. Parrotfish. Parrotfish have beak-like mouths that help them bite coral. They turn coral into sand after eating it. Their scales are colorful like a rainbow. Thanks to them, we have beautiful sandy beaches. Moorish idol. Moorish idols have black, white, and yellow stripes. They have long, thin fins that wave like ribbons. These fish are found in warm, tropical waters. Many people think they bring good luck. Fire shrimp. Fire shrimp are bright red with white spots. They clean other fish by picking off dirt and germs. They live under rocks in coral reefs. Fire shrimp are tiny but very busy helpers. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs live inside empty shells. When they grow, they find a bigger shell to move into. They use their claws to explore and climb. These crabs are funny and always on the move. Starfish. Starfish aren't really fish, but they live in aquariums too. They have 5 arms and can regrow them if lost. Starfish move slowly on the glass or rocks. They come in red, orange, and purple colors. Cleaner shrimp. Cleaner shrimp are small and red with white stripes. They clean other fish by eating germs and tiny bugs. They wave their long antennae to attract friends. Fish love to get cleaned by them. Cleaner shrimp are tiny ocean helpers. Clown triggerfish. Clown triggerfish have black bodies with white spots and yellow mouths. They live in coral reefs and eat small fish and shells. They look like colorful clown faces. They can puff up when scared. These fish are bold and beautiful. Dwarf gourami. Dwarf gouramis are small, round, and brightly colored. They swim slowly in calm waters. Males build bubble nests for their babies. They love hiding in plants. These little fish are peaceful and friendly. Neon tetra. Neon tetras are tiny and shiny with blue and red stripes. They live in schools in freshwater tanks. They swim together like little rainbow ribbons. Neon tetras love calm water. They are popular aquarium fish for their glow. Oscar fish. Oscar fish are big, round, and colorful with orange and black patterns. They are playful and can recognize their owners. Oscars live in freshwater rivers. They like eating small fish and insects. These fish are smart and lively. Loggerhead turtle. Loggerhead turtles have big heads and strong jaws. They eat crabs and clams. They swim slowly but powerfully. Olive ridley turtle. Olive ridley turtles are small and olive-colored. They come ashore in groups to lay eggs. Thousands gather on beaches. Kemp's ridley turtle. Kemp's ridley turtles are the rarest sea turtles. They are gray-green and small. They live in the Gulf of Mexico. Crayfish, spiny lobster. Crayfish have long feelers and spiny shells. They hide in rocky cracks. They come out at night to feed. Lobster. Lobsters are large with hard shells and big claws. They live on the sea floor. They walk slowly but can swim backward quickly. Crab. Crabs have round bodies and 2 claws. They scuttle sideways on the sand. They live near coasts and rocks. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs live in empty snail shells. As they grow, they move to bigger shells. They carry their homes on their backs. Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crabs are ancient creatures with hard shells. They live in shallow seas. They have blue blood that scientists use. Shrimp. Shrimps are small with long feelers. They live in both shallow and deep water. They clean the seafloor by eating leftovers. Mantis shrimp. Mantis shrimps are colorful with powerful claws. They can punch harder than any other sea creature. Their eyes see many colors. Sea urchin. Sea urchins are round and covered with spines. They crawl slowly on rocks. They eat algae with tiny mouths. Sand dollar. Sand dollars are flat and round. They live buried under sandy sea floors. Their skeletons look like white coins. Sea cucumber. Sea cucumbers are soft and long. They crawl on the sea floor. They clean the ocean by recycling sand. Coral. Corals are tiny animals that build reefs. They come in many bright colors. Reefs are homes for thousands of sea creatures. Sea anemone. Sea anemones look like flowers but are animals. They use stinging tentacles to catch fish. Clownfish live safely inside them. Sponge. Sponges are simple animals with holes. Water flows through them. They filter food and clean the sea. Clam. Clams have 2 hard shells. They bury themselves in sand. They filter water to eat tiny food. Oyster. Oysters also have hard shells. Sometimes they make pearls inside. They live in groups on rocks. Mussel. Mussels are black or blue-shelled. They stick to rocks with strong threads. They open and close with the tide. Scallop. Scallops have fan-shaped shells. They can clap their shells to swim. They have tiny eyes along the shell edge. Panda cory. Panda cory catfish are small and white with black patches. They live at the bottom of freshwater tanks. They are peaceful and like to stay in groups. Panda cories help clean leftover food. They are cute and fun to watch. Balloon betta. Balloon bettas have round, plump bodies. They come in bright colors like red and blue. Male bettas show off their flowing fins. They breathe air from the surface. Balloon bettas are lively and charming. Red cherry shrimp. Red cherry shrimp are tiny and bright red. They love hiding in plants and moss. They eat leftover food in aquariums. Red cherry shrimp are peaceful and helpful. Watching them crawl is very fun. Amano shrimp. Amano shrimp are small grayish-green cleaners. They eat algae in freshwater tanks. They are peaceful and active. Amano shrimp love hiding under rocks and plants. They are little cleaning heroes for aquariums. Bamboo shrimp. Bamboo shrimp are fan-shaped and grayish-brown. They stay still and wave their fan-like arms to catch food. They live in freshwater tanks with gentle currents. Bamboo shrimp are peaceful and fascinating. They look like tiny underwater gardeners. Neon rainbow fish. Neon rainbow fish are small with shiny rainbow-colored scales. They swim in schools in freshwater tanks. They love moving around plants. Neon rainbow fish are playful and colorful. Their shiny bodies light up the aquarium. Hillstream loach. Hillstream loaches have flat bodies and tiny fins. They cling to rocks in freshwater tanks. They like flowing water and cool spots. Hillstream loaches are peaceful and shy. Watching them stick to surfaces is fun. Dwarf pencilfish. Dwarf pencilfish are tiny and thin. They swim in schools in calm freshwater tanks. They have shiny silver or gold stripes. Dwarf pencilfish are peaceful and gentle. They are small but very active swimmers. Amano crab. Amano crabs are small and brownish. They climb rocks and plants in freshwater tanks. They help clean leftover food. Amano crabs are peaceful and fun to watch. They are tiny aquarium helpers. Honey gourami. Honey gouramis are small and golden orange. They swim peacefully in freshwater tanks. Males make bubble nests for babies. They enjoy calm water and plants. Honey gouramis are gentle and beautiful. Golden barb. Golden barbs are small and shiny gold. They swim in schools in freshwater tanks. They love calm water and plants. Golden barbs are peaceful and gentle. Their shiny bodies light up the aquarium. Silver dollar fish. Silver dollar fish are round and silver. They swim in groups in freshwater tanks. They eat plants and small food. They are peaceful and active swimmers. Their shiny round bodies are fun to watch. Red-tail shark. Red-tail sharks have black bodies with bright red tails. They swim fast and explore the tank. They like hiding in caves. Red-tail sharks are peaceful if kept alone. Their red tails make them easy to spot. Siamese fighting fish. Siamese fighting fish have long, flowing fins. They come in bright colors like red and blue. Male bettas can be a little aggressive. They breathe air from the surface. They are beautiful and full of personality. Black phantom tetra. Black phantom tetras are small and gray-black. They swim in schools in freshwater tanks. They are peaceful and gentle. Their dark fins look like tiny shadows. Black phantom tetras are fun to watch in groups. Congo tetra. Congo tetras have shiny blue and red scales. They swim in schools in freshwater tanks. They are peaceful and active. Congo tetras love plants and hiding spots. Their sparkling colors make them look magical. Rummy nose tetra. Rummy nose tetras are tiny with red noses. They swim in schools in freshwater tanks. They are peaceful and calm. Their red noses make them easy to recognize. Rummy nose tetras are very lively and fun. Headstander fish. Headstanders swim with their heads pointing down. They eat plants and algae in freshwater tanks. They are peaceful and gentle. Their upside-down swimming is funny to watch. Headstanders are unique and interesting. Red phantom gourami. Red phantom gouramis are small with red and black patterns. They swim peacefully in freshwater tanks. Males make bubble nests for babies. They enjoy plants and hiding spots. Red phantom gouramis are beautiful and gentle. Glass rasbora. Glass rasboras are tiny and see-through. You can see their bones inside. They swim in schools in freshwater tanks. They are peaceful and playful. Glass rasboras look magical in the aquarium. Clown killifish. Clown killifish are tiny with bright patterns. They swim in calm, freshwater tanks. They are peaceful and enjoy hiding in plants. Killifish lay eggs on plants. These little fish are fun and colorful. Zebra loach. Zebra loaches are long with black and white stripes. They live at the bottom of freshwater tanks. They are peaceful and like to hide in rocks. Zebra loaches are active and playful. Watching them move in groups is fun. Peacock gudgeon. Peacock gudgeons are colorful and small. Males have bright blue and red fins. They swim peacefully in freshwater tanks. They like plants and hiding spots. Peacock gudgeons are friendly and lively. Cherry barb. Cherry barbs are tiny and bright red. They swim in schools in freshwater tanks. They are peaceful and gentle. They enjoy plants and open space. Cherry barbs make aquariums colorful and fun. Dwarf rainbow fish. Dwarf rainbow fish have shiny, rainbow-colored bodies. They swim actively in schools. They live in calm, freshwater tanks. Dwarf rainbow fish are peaceful and playful. Their colors make the aquarium sparkle. Glass catfish. Glass catfish are thin and see-through. You can see their bones inside. They swim in schools in freshwater tanks. They are peaceful and gentle. Glass catfish look magical and delicate. Bamboo shrimp. Bamboo shrimp have fan-shaped arms they wave in water. They catch tiny food particles from the current. They live in freshwater tanks with gentle water flow. They are peaceful and fascinating. Bamboo shrimp look like tiny underwater gardeners. Amano shrimp. Amano shrimp are grayish-green and small. They eat algae and help clean tanks. They hide under rocks and plants. Amano shrimp are peaceful and active. They are little heroes in aquariums. Cherry shrimp. Cherry shrimp are tiny and bright red. They crawl on plants and decorations. They eat leftover food in the tank. Cherry shrimp are peaceful and fun to watch. They help keep the aquarium clean. Nerate snail. Nerate snails are small with patterned shells. They eat algae in freshwater tanks. They move slowly on glass and decorations. They are peaceful and helpful. Nerate snails are tiny cleaning machines. Snow crab. Snow crabs are smaller and orange. They live in icy waters. They dig in sand for food. Horseshoe shrimp. These shrimps are tiny and rare. They look like miniature horseshoe crabs. They live in the deep sea. Sea spider. Sea spiders have long, thin legs. They live in cold waters. They suck juices from soft animals. Comb jelly. Comb jellies are clear and oval. They shine rainbow colors when light hits them. They move with rows of tiny hairs. Box jellyfish. Box jellies are cube-shaped. They are almost invisible in water. They drift quietly in tropical seas. Portuguese man-o'-war. It looks like a jellyfish, but is a group of animals. It has a purple float on the surface. Its tentacles drift far below. Blue dragon sea slug. Blue dragons are small sea slugs. They are blue and silver. They float upside down on the sea surface. Sea hare. Sea hares are large sea slugs. They are soft with little wing-like flaps. They squirt purple ink when scared. Nudibranch. Nudibranchs are colorful sea slugs. They look like underwater jewels. They crawl slowly on rocks and corals. Cone snail. Cone snails have cone-shaped shells. They hide in sand. They shoot out a long tongue to catch prey. Whelk. Whelks are large sea snails. They live in cold waters. They use their shells as protection. Periwinkle. Periwinkles are small snails. They crawl on rocks in tide pools. They eat algae with their tiny tongues. Abalone. Abalones are sea snails with shiny shells. Inside their shells glow like rainbow colors. They cling tightly to rocks. Limpet. Limpets have cone-shaped shells. They stick to rocks in tide pools. They scrape algae with their tongues. Chiton. Chitons have shells made of 8 plates. They crawl slowly on rocks. They curl into a ball when scared. Sea squirt. Sea squirts look like soft bags. Water flows in and out of them. They filter tiny food from the sea. Salp. Salps are jelly-like and clear. They float in long chains. They move by pumping water through their bodies. Krill. Krill are tiny shrimp-like animals. They glow in the dark sea. They are food for whales and penguins.